at Dad going to see his girlfriend. Oh look, it looks down. Oh my god. This reminds me of... They got a package, guys. Of this.
Hi, my name is Leiloha and I am here starting my first video, and I am excited to share my journey with you guys, and I hope you guys can join me with my journey, and I will be sharing you guys how to spread positivity and have fun to be inspired.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 많이 해주세요.
Look at Dad going to see his girlfriend. You met your girlfriend?
What's up? Just hanging around.
Following faces. No way. Michael Myers. Oh look, it looks down. Oh my god.
Quit hanging around.
Oh my gosh. Oh look at Chucky. Oh my gosh. I want Chucky. Huh? Oh man! This is so weird. There's roofing. This reminds me of what's that name? Monster Inc.
Monster Inc.
Oh my gosh.
Original Batman. Oh, I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey, baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me.
Some dessert.
A few moments later.
Bam! What's up, my friends? It is so nice to see you guys. Earlier I was out with my parents. Now I'm back home. I'm gonna cook some dinner. I'm gonna try to make bacon fried rice. I don't know if you guys heard of bacon fried rice, but I'm gonna try. And then later we're gonna bake. Wait, did I say bake or cook? I lost myself there. Okay, so first I'm gonna cook bacon fried rice, and then later on we're gonna bake banana bread. Is he telling me to shush? Because I'm confused. So let's go and start this cooking. I was taking out all my ingredients earlier, and I come to learn that we don't have eggs. So I'm changing up the dinner. We're gonna have fried bacon. So we're not doing fried rice right now. We're not gonna do no fried rice because there is no eggs. Hello my friends. So I finished cooking dinner, and I said there's no eggs, and I just realized that banana bread needs eggs. So I'll just wait for my brother when we go get water, and then we'll get eggs. Right now I'm eating ice cream because it's so hot in here, and ice cream is the only source to cool me down. So I love Napolitan ice cream. Before I don't really like the chocolate, but now it's getting to me right now. My dad will scold me because I always get only vanilla and strawberry. He's like, get the chocolate too. But now I'm taking all the chocolate. This is really cooling me down.
A few moments later.
So we're in Don Quixote. Oh, look at this pants. Oh, it's swimming pants. So we're in Don Quixote. We're gonna go grab some snacks. No, just kidding. My brother's getting himself a snack. I don't know what it is. And then after, we're gonna go get some water. They got a package, guys, of the Sapporo. Say what? No, let me go. 5 pack. Let me run. Bagadi?
It's gotta be this one.
Oh no, it says Shiro. Shiro.
Oh, they don't want anything?
To the snack area? No, she said she doesn't want anything. This is the snack aisle. It'll be vlog a minute, please.
I'm over here like this, let's get it over with. I can do that. We can get water.
Libre outside. Okay, el game girar. Okay, el game. I miss ever come. Talay man eh. Token. We need token for this. I want this one. Look at it. Yeah, in the water. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wow.
Oh, we have enough.
It is so old school.
It used to be 250, now it's 3 bucks.
Yeah? What's up, guys? I finally made my banana bread, and guess what? It came out the way I always wanted, and this time I put less flour. So it came out pretty good. The color, everything. So I'm really happy.
Just around that
Really happy.
smoke, burn the smoke.
And I didn't put a lot of sugar, so I should add more sugar next time. But I'm really happy. I literally rushed through my baking because it was kind of like late, so I didn't really record anything. But you got the results here. And
Other guys still hurt.
I'm actually loving it. So
Nice.
I'm gonna enjoy
Right there.
my banana bread tomorrow. I did not mean to put that up. I meant to do a peace sign. Oh my gosh, I apologize.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.